So this is a 6-lane raceway from Hot Wheels. As you can tell, it's 6 lanes, and it's 8 feet long. So I mean, 3 is pretty good enough, but 8 feet, yeah, that's pretty good, I guess. So this is how it really looks. This is the back. I'm guessing this is the newer versions, since because it doesn't have like the actual like real version on the back. Usually it's like the animated part in the front and then like the real version on the back. But yeah, I'm gonna pop it open. So I kind of opened it from the back. Apparently you can. This is a thing now where you can just like open it like that. It's pretty cool. Anyways, here is a track. Here's a little end of the race. The one that says who wins the race. I'm gonna need some batteries because they never include batteries with this. I don't know why. But yeah. Pop it open. I forgot to mention it came with 6 cars. So yeah, here are the 6 cars. Here is the actual raceway without outside the box. It comes with the wheels. Right here, as you can tell. Crap. Oops. Little kids are watching. My bad. I'll just like cut that out. Anyways, yeah, you can just like put it, and then you can just like go with it. Okay. Yeah, so I guess this is how it is. Now I'm gonna just like set it up for realsies then. So yeah, like always, these needs batteries, and yeah, I need to unscrew it and then put the battery inside. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished putting in the batteries, and yeah.
Hot Wheels racers, pick your lane.
Yo, that's pretty loud. Yeah, I need to cover this up with tape. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, the cars just go through you put this on the track, and cars go through it. If they do, then
Winner, lane 4.
God damn, that shit's loud. But yeah, first car to go through this, the light turns green and the indicator goes off. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You just race 6 cars, or as many as you want, up to 6, and you just first car to make it out wins. Alright, so here is the final setup. As you can see, it's pretty long. And you got these little flags where you can put them up so people know this racing is going to be serious and they know you mean business. So I'm about to put the 6 cars in, and yeah, I'm gonna race them. Alright, so here are the 6 cars. Yeah, as you can tell, I don't even know what they're called. Apparently, this car is called Governor, whatever that means. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Damn, it was way too blurry. Alright, this is gonna be the second attempt because the first one was pretty bad, and yeah. Anyways, we're gonna race this, and here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Winner, lane 2.
There you go. That was a winner, lane 2. Alright, so here's the winner of the race. It's the green car. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys smash the like button. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Anyways, peace.